Namaskar, I am Dr. Puneet Kochar. I am a fertility specialist at Elixir Fertility Center, Model Town, North Delhi. Today I'll be talking to you about a very important topic that our patients very commonly ask us about. What can a woman do to improve her fertility? हर महिला ये पूछती है कि मैं ऐसा क्या कर सकती हूँ जिससे मेरे प्रेग्नेंट होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाए। ये सवाल एक नवविवाहित लड़की भी पूछती है जो प्रेगनेंसी पाना चाहती है, और वो भी लोग पूछते हैं जिनको ऑलरेडी 10-20 साल हो गए ट्राई करते हुए और उनको IUI या IVF जैसी ART टेक्निक्स की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है। Now, you need to understand that a female genital tract consists of 3 organs. आपकी ovaries या अंडेदानी, आपकी tubes, fallopian tubes, और आपका uterus या बच्चेदानी। अब let's talk about the eggs first. So, when a girl is born, we are born with the number of eggs that we will be producing in our entire lifetime. So, when we were a fetus inside our mother's womb, we already had the number of eggs जो हम अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में प्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं। एक फीमेल जितने एग्स अपने लाइफ में प्रोड्यूस करेगी वो लेकर पैदा होती है। हम नए एग्स नहीं बनाते, हम उन्हीं एग्स को रिलीज करते हैं। So as a result, as the age increases, the quantity and quality of eggs keeps going down. आपकी fertility best होती है जब आप 20 साल के होते हैं. So it is the best in your 20s. Between the age of 20 to 30 is the ideal time to conceive. Now, unfortunately, with the changing society, we don't want to get pregnant at the age of 20 anymore, which is fairly understandable. So what can you do about it? There is a blood test called AMH. So if you're planning to delay your pregnancies beyond your 30s, it is recommended that you get a blood test for the anti-Mullerian hormone check. ये हार्मोन हमें ये बताता है कि आपका ओवेरियन रिजर्व कितना है, नॉर्मल है, कम तो नहीं हो रहा। अगर ये टाइम से पहले, समय से पहले कम हो रहा है, then you should see a gynecologist or a fertility specialist to discuss what options you have of preserving your fertility. कई बार इसे थामा जा सकता है, so it can either be delayed. The decrease in ovarian reserve can be delayed at times by behavioral modifications or even with the help of some medications. If that is not the case in your particular scenario, we may recommend that you freeze your eggs. Egg freezing एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया है, एक ऐसा प्रोसीजर है जिसके द्वारा आपकी fertility retain की जा सकती है। The best time to freeze your eggs is in your 20s or early 30s, and then you can use these frozen eggs even when you're beyond 40 years of age. Now, aging is not the only factor which decreases the egg quality. Aging के अलावा कई ऐसे कारण हैं जो egg quality को diminish कर सकते हैं. There is a condition called PCOS, Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, जिसमें hormonal imbalances के कारण कई बार eggs अच्छे नहीं बनते. PCOS का डायरेक्ट कोरिलेशन आपके वजन से है. So you should have an ideal body weight. It should not be too less, it should not be too more. So it should not be on the very thin side and you should not be obese as well. इसके लिए हम एडवाइस करते हैं कि आप एक रूटीन फॉलो करिए जिसमें रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज should be a part of your life. And regular exercise means both aerobics and sedentary exercises like yoga. 20 to 30 minutes of exercising will help in improving the metabolism of your body, and aerobics usually includes brisk walk, which is considered to be very good, cycling, jogging, skipping, swimming. ये exercises आपका metabolism maintain करने में और normal ovulation में help करती हैं। योगा जैसी सेडेंटरी एक्सरसाइजेस बॉडी का संतुलन बनाए रखने में हेल्प करती हैं। ये आपके माइंड को भी काम करती हैं जिससे प्रेगनेंसी जल्दी पाई जा सकती है। Even breathing exercises like pranayam are helpful and they help in conceiving faster and quicker. Apart from exercise, the other thing that helps you control your weight is a healthy diet. So diet में decrease the amount of saturated fats, decrease refined flour intake. I would say सफ़ेद खाना जैसे कि the white products like मैदा, चीनी, नमक, these should be taken in less quantity or decreased in your diet, and you should have a colorful diet including tomatoes, green vegetables, which are a very rich source of vitamins and minerals, and these contain antioxidants which help in improving your egg quality. Also, a diet rich in proteins is very important for maintaining a normal reproductive balance. Apart from your diet, you need to decrease the amount of alcohol or preferably completely cut it down, stop smoking completely, decrease your caffeine intake. ये सारी चीज़ें egg quality improve करने में help करती हैं. इसके अलावा stress plays a very important role in determining the egg quality and the overall fertility of a woman. So decrease in both physical and mental stress is very important if you want to conceive quicker. Stress बिना किसी कारण के आपको कंसीव नहीं करने देगा. You may have healthy eggs being produced, healthy tubes, healthy uterus, your partner's sperm parameters would be excellent, but only because of a stressful lifestyle, you may not be able to conceive. So adopt something that helps you relax. Go for music, go for any activity or hobby that helps you relax, and do your normal chores of your daily life in a relaxed way to help you conceive faster and quicker. Now, so far we have talked about improving fertility by improving the egg. What about the remaining two systems? What about the remaining two organs, that is the tube and the uterus? इनको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट ट्यूब्स गेट यूजुअली ब्लॉक्ड बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन, and infections are mostly sexually transmitted. So it is ideal not to have multiple sexual partners. Also, it is ideal to use barrier contraceptives or condoms when you're not trying to get pregnant. ये sexually transmitted infections के incidence को कम करते हैं. If you're having symptoms of pelvic infection जैसे कि vaginal discharge, itching, lower abdominal pain या urinary infection के कोई symptoms हैं, frequent urination, burning while urinating, these are symptoms which indicate that you should see a doctor and get treated before the infection increases to a large extent. Timely treatment will help preserve your fertility better. So if you're following all these, I'm sure you will not be facing problems in conceiving. But if you are, please contact a fertility specialist. Thank you.